I'll be focusing today on the Vision APIs and services that are available within that, which is separated out the same way if you look online. Microsoft separated something similar. So as we look at what's available in the Vision API today, there are 3 APIs and 3 services that are part of the process or of that area, right? So we have the Computer Vision API. Computer Vision API is pretty cool. It allows you to actually break down a video or an image and understand what's in it, get the insights into it, content, and actually find text within there. So let's say you're looking for a ball in any of these pictures. You can actually identify what a ball would be and use a Computer Vision API to go after it. We're actually seeing Computer Vision API used in quality control scenarios in such areas as manufacturing, where people are typically putting eyes on an object and saying this is good or bad. By using a Computer Vision API and a scoring method in machine learning, you're able to actually automate that process using that Computer Vision API, which is really pretty cool. We also have a Face API and an Emotion API. Obviously, these are related to people. So the Face API, we actually have the ability to identify people and individuals. Where this is really comes into play is things like security and the ability to detect and identify faces, right? So we can look at a picture, identify a bunch of faces, we can start looking at who they might be. But even cooler is really a business application of this, such as what Uber did. And what they do is they actually use this to recognize our drivers. So they use facial recognition when their drivers log in to understand who their drivers are and their partners, identify their partners in that scenario. Emotion APIs are kind of cool. I seen some really cool demos around that. I think the funniest one is basically creating a mood app. Hey, take a picture of your face. What kind of mood are you in? I should try that with my daughters someday. Anyways, moving on. So the Emotion API allows us to actually identify the emotions. There's like 9 or 10 emotions currently handled within the API. So it gives you the ability to add this and extend your application to do some interesting things. You could use it in a customer service application, take a picture of someone, identify how they're feeling that day, that kind of thing. There are 3 services that are also part of the Vision area of cognitive analytics. And their content moderation is the first one we'll talk about. This one's very interesting because its goal is to make sure that, to use machine learning to detect and remove offensive language or identify and do things around that. So offensive language in the context of the video, or offensive language in the context of text that identifies on an image, or even offensive language and so on, and activities, right? So if someone does something offensively in the video, you should be able to identify that using content moderation and identify and do something with it at that point. Video indexer is one I'm most excited about in this area. So if we're running the Emotion API right now, hopefully I'm showing excitement. But what we're looking at is, in the video indexer, allows us to turn video into analytics. It basically breaks a video down. I can actually identify the people that are in there. I can work with speech sentiment based on how people are talking within that video, and it will identify keywords using speech-to-text technology. Basically give us, hey, these are the keywords we're hearing. What's really cool about all those things, it identifies where those occur within the stream of the video, allowing you to then go in and say, I want to see all the places where someone talked about the Face API. Where would I look at that? And you can actually identify that in the video. So this video, for instance, could be processed through that, and we'd have that identified. Finally, you can actually use a custom vision service where you can do it your own. Do your own thing, leverage some of the technologies, and take advantage of it that way. What's really cool is all these APIs are available on the Azure stack, and most of them are readily available, and some are, like in the case of the Face API, are already actively being used by customers in the field. So if you're interested in looking at how to take advantage of the Vision APIs that are available, click the link below for more information. We'd love to reach out to you and talk to you about it. Thank you and have a great day.